gotta be kidding me. Whoa, buddy. Hang on just for 1 minute. I understand you're a werewolf and, transforming is kind of your thing. Would you mind if I mow my lawn first? Give me about an hour. It's supposed to rain. I just want to get this done before, well, it rains. Well, do you mind? Just give me 1 hour. Just 1 hour. And then you can transform all you want. What do you say, pal? Okay, I see how it is. You're just going to transform no matter what I do or what I say. You're a werewolf. I just have one question for you, though. Did you bring any friends with you? I just want to know. Because I'm ready for anything you throw at me. Whoa! You did bring friends with you, huh? Dinosaurs? Okay. I dig. Let's see how well they do against my blaster. Come on, T-Rex. Let's dance. Ha! Okay, Rexy. You're a little too big for my other blaster. But don't worry. I got this bad boy right here. So watch this. Alright. So now it's time to take out the other dinosaur. I think it's a raptor. Hello, Velociraptor. You by any chance know Raptor Blue? It doesn't matter. Adios. Alright. Took out 2 dinosaurs. Well, I transported them to another location, so technically I didn't take them out. But I took them elsewhere. There we go. Well, I better get back to Wolfie over there. Let's do this. So it turns out that my other blaster was no good. There was no match for that T-Rex. But I managed to transport both of your dinosaur friends to another location. Unfortunately, I had no more ammo left. So with that being said, I'll catch you later, Wolfie. See ya! Welcome back to the channel. We're all together here and we're getting ready to celebrate our anniversary. Krista and I have been married for 7 years.
Woo!
Can you believe that, Krista?
I can't believe it. I don't know where time's gone. And Jack's, what, 6-year baptism?
Hi.
Hi. You excited, Jack?
Mm-hmm.
You excited, Zelly?
Today we can go out to eat.
Yep, we're getting ready to go out to eat. So we're going to take you guys along for the ride.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
I'm so excited to eat. Wait, something doesn't feel right.
Wait, babe, where did Jack go? It's like he just disappeared from all that excitement.
What do you mean, where did he go? He was just with you.
No, babe, like for real, he actually disappeared. 1 minute he was talking about how excited he was about going out to eat, and then the next minute, poof, he vanished. I mean, you don't think we're dealing with another villain, do you? I mean, you think Jack might be another villain?
I'm not sure, maybe. Let's go investigate the house.
Okay, that sounds like a really good idea. Let's do it. Alright guys, do you see anything at all? I don't see Jack anywhere. I mean, Zay, where do you think Jack might be? Is he over there?
Over there?
Okay, let's go investigate. Guys, you hear that? I think it's coming from upstairs.
Yes, I do. You hear that
It
noise?
sounds like a phone.
Yes, it does.
Alright, let's go check upstairs, see if we can find anything, alright?
Hi, boys and girls. I'm back.
Oh shoot, babe! It's Laughing Jack! Quick, get upstairs! Go!
Oh.
I think Jack is Laughing Jack again! How ironic. Oh no, babe. It looks like Jack is Laughing Jack once again. Do you think the villains are up to this? I mean, I didn't see any villain boxes downstairs. It's really weird that he would turn into one again.
I'm not sure, babe. I haven't seen any villain boxes either. I don't know what's going on. We gotta figure this out. Fast.
You're right. We gotta find Jack and figure this out and end it once and for all. Wait. You feel that?
Wait! Where'd they go? I think he might be a villain as well. We gotta figure out where they went. We gotta do this fast. Let's go. Oh no! He is a villain! He turned into a werewolf again!
Hey, Papa, they're mine.
Sally, they're fighting. This is our time to find the blaster and the candy to get rid of them. Sally, I see the blaster. Let's grab it. Wait, I think Jack left a piece of candy in his food cart. Let's check it out. Do you see it? I found it! Hey, Laughing Jack, I have some candy for you! Hey, Wolfie, I have a treat for you too! All right, Sally, we defeated the villains. Now it's time to go look for Daddy and Jack. Okay?
We're okay. We're up here. Ooh, that was scary.
We're so glad you guys are okay!
We are alive, guys! We beat the villains! That was pretty crazy. Jack was Laughing Jack, and I was the werewolf. Whew, a little sweaty. Jack and Sally, are you guys ready to celebrate Mommy and Daddy's anniversary?
Yeah, because we get to go out to eat.
Sweet.
Woo! Good time!
Are you excited?
I'm excited. Hard work, now time to eat, relax,
Why?
wine and dine.
For sure. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. We really hope you guys enjoyed it. Krista had a lot of fun.
It was fun.
Please like and subscribe and smash that notification bell.
See ya!
Catch you later. We going out to eat. Bye.
Adios!
Bye.